Godrej Capital is a financial arm of Godrej Industries group, and we are offering a range of lending products in both secured and unsecured, like HL, business loans, and loan against properties and all. Our vision is to become a top financial institution with a fair, fast, and flexible lending products. Godrej Capital is one of the organizations which launched the business during the peak COVID time. In 2020, we launched our business. Everybody understands the COVID times and how difficult it was to manage the teams and launch any kind of new business. We are really proud of being one of the very few organizations having done it successfully. To just give the background of our journey, like when we started, it was just a pre-COVID, and that time all the teams were there in office, and we started discussions of how our journey should look like, and how the physical touch points are to be designed, how the digital journeys are to be designed and all. And suddenly one fine day we had to be at home, and everything had to be virtual, and that time it was really a big challenge, and overnight we had to move to a completely digital virtual channels. I would like to put on the record that the teams have done really a fantastic work, having adopted to that kind of work culture, and successfully come up with the business plans and successfully come up with the digital journeys. And Pennant is a partner with the Pennant teams that our discussions happened virtually, and yes, it was a very, I think, successful project. So during the COVID time, we had to change our lot of digital processes, and that time it was a kind of opportunity for innovation. We took that opportunity, and we could launch zero touch loan process successfully, and we could adopt the digital signature process in most of the digital journeys. When we were launching the first product, which is housing loans and all, so we really wanted a partner who will innovate along with us, and we didn't want any partner who was just a kind of a service provider. We were looking for a partner who will come and who will innovate along with us, and then suggest what are the right processes and right journeys based on their knowledge and the readiness to do the customization as per our needs and all. So these are the main parameters, and we have evaluated and we found Pennant system very much flexible for doing the customization as per your needs, and also can bring in the latest technology, which is a kind of cloud compatible, because we were launching our entire thing on the cloud, and we really wanted a heavily API driven system. So all these parameters could be met using the Pennant lending system, so that is why we could choose that. On PLF, we could launch recently the Flexi loans, and which is a kind of again innovation from the product side. Because of PLF's cloud compatibility and API driven architecture, we could launch many of the products the way we want. So that kind of flexibility we could get using Pennant. The Flexi Funds is a overdraft like facility. So because of the Pennant system's agility and the flexibility, we could launch this facility very quickly in the industry, and it hardly took 4 to 5 months, which is in record time, I could say. Because of the flexibility that this platform offers, we could design all our journeys the way we wanted to improve our customer experience and also the productivity of the people. So which has improved our turnaround times, and thereby improving our customer feedback also. We have very ambitious plans, and we have new product lines being planned and new journeys being planned and all. Pennant being our strategic partner, I would like to say that this is a long-term relationship, and it will go strong.